Hotu Vietnam is a leading supplier of warehouse racking solutions in general, and mezzanine floor racks in particular. We are proud to offer customers a wide range of high-quality warehouse racking products, meeting all needs from esteemed customers. Below is a reference price list for mezzanine floor racks. Medium load floor racks, less than 300 kilograms per square meter. Prices range from 1 million to 3 million VND per square meter. Heavy load floor racks, from 300 to 1,000 kilograms per square meter. Prices range from 3 million to 6 million VND per square meter. Note, the price of mezzanine floor racks depends on many factors, usually including 1. Rack frame material. The frame consists of columns, loading beams, braces, supported bar. Depending on the specific requirements of each project, sizes and thicknesses will be different. 2. Loading capacity. Mezzanine racks are designed based on kilograms per square meter. The higher the load capacity, the higher the price. 3. Number of rack levels. Depending on storage space, the number of rack levels is agreed with the customer. More levels result in a higher price. 4. Flooring material. The choice of flooring material greatly affects the price, such as regular steel plates, anti-slip steel, grating plates, forming C-bar are more expensive, while wooden panels are cheaper. 5. Additional equipment. Accessories such as automatic lifts, stairways, gravity slides also affect the rack price. Please note, this price list is for reference only. Each project may differ in terms of load capacity, quantity, color, number of levels, and floor material. Please contact our hotline 09448 66966 or visit our website AsadoVN.